Alright guys, I'm about to go down all these stairs. You see that? I do this every single day. I'm going back, I take it really slow. Like this. I was dropping shit too, but... Oh no, I don't need help. No, I'm good. I don't need help. No, I don't need help. I don't need help. No, I got it. It's part of my exercise. I appreciate that though. Thank you. You're a gentleman. God bless you. Thank you. Oh, look at the pigeon. What happened? Are you sick? Yo, Birdie, are you sick? What happened? Yo, I'm gonna feed that. You see, guys, the bird? I'm gonna feed the bird now. You see? Yeah, Birdie. Ooh! Poor thing, guys. See, I fed the bird. The bird is sick. That poor pigeon is sick, guys. So I just went down all those stairs, and I go up the stairs too, with the stroller. Every single day, I go up like 10 flights of stairs, you know? And I love it, because it's good exercise. It's good for your heart. So, you know, I'm just grateful that I could do those things without a problem. Whoops, excuse me. Hey. Yeah, I'm just grateful, guys, I can do those things without a problem, you know. Sorry about the other video, got cut short. But, I don't know, something happened. Activia. From the Dollar Tree. You see that shit? You know, I gotta get some kind of like stand for the phone, you know? Yeah, so that shit's crazy, right? So how I can go up and down those stairs, guys, with no problem. You know, that's a good thing that I could do that. And it's not, like I said, I can't do that on my own accord. It's not me. I can only do those things because of the Lord. You know, if it wasn't for God, I'm telling you, I would never be able to do those things. Never in a million years. And I have to pee so bad. Because, guys, you see, where's my water bottle? You see that water bottle? Check on the baby. He's enjoying the view. And I'm going to bring him to the park now. I drink so much water, and I try to get my son to drink a lot of water too. Yeah, he's cute, right?
What?
Fuck is wrong with that bitch? You see that shit? Listen, I tell him off all the time, because people be looking at my son, and I'm like, why are you staring at my kid for? You know, like they trying to find something, just something, because people be friggin' hating and shit. So I'll be walking, and you know, it just out of nowhere, like these girls, they be giving me dirty ass looks for no reason at all. Like I don't know these people from Adam. And they just be giving me dirty looks for no reason. And I don't know what their problem is. I hope the bathroom is open in the park because I have to pee so bad. I gotta pee so bad, man. My bladder feels like it's gonna... Yo, what happened to my phone? You see that, right? Will you be alright? guy's holding this book. He's cute, right? You see what I'm saying? If I had a dollar for every dirty look, oh my God, thank you, Lord. Please, is the bathroom open? Yo, I'm telling you, you're looking at the wrong one. Yo, I'm telling you, man. I am so tired. So tired of these girls. Yo, oh, it's that. I'm so tired of these females giving me dirty looks. You know what I'm saying? Like, they fucking hate me for no reason, man. And I'm not paranoid. I'm telling you the truth. If I had an undercover camera on me, you guys would see that these women be giving me dirty. Say we're going to the park. We're giving me dirty looks constantly for no reason. And I'm tired of it, man. Like I never did. Whoa. I never did nothing to these girls. Baby, mommy. We're gonna play in the park, but I have to pee-pee really bad, honey. I had to hold that in the whole train ride. Oh. Please, God. Hello? Hold on, baby mommy. Got pee-pee. I cannot hold no more, please. Please, baby. And I gotta change your diaper.